How to delete your Remitly history. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Remitly history, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to delete your history on Remitly, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, just make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Now, let's say that there is any sort of history that you've made in the past and now you'd like to delete them. Can you delete them? Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. Remitly does not let you delete your transfer history, and not only Remitly, any of the other sort of payment applications will also never let you delete your transaction history, so that later on if you have any sort of legal trouble, you can always show the transaction history for the proof and the evidence, so that Remitly also won't get in trouble because they're going to get responsible for this. So you'll be able to go ahead and then actually figure out this yourself, but as I told you, as a result you will not be able to go ahead and then delete your transaction. This way, hopefully this video answered your question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.